Hi YouTube, this is Nelson from SoCal Airsoft Viper Team. This is my entry for Airsoft Utah's ghillie contest. Okay, before you say anything, I know you're gonna be like, oh wait, he already has a ghillie. You don't need to give him one. This is a great ghillie. It's a homemade ghillie. It's great for desert environments, but half or more of the time I'm at a woodland environment, so yeah. And my boonie cap that has kind of a ghillie hood kind of thing was stolen too, so that's why you shouldn't discount this episode here or video. Okay, so here I have my ghillie. I handmade it, and you can see the back. Of course, you can see the back. It's great for desert environments, but now it's not great for the places I go, because they actually believe in watering the grass there now. So yeah, right here I have my radio, my Motorola talk about. I have a headset, but I have no idea where it is. I got my same 8-point cap. I got my drop leg for my 1911. Always cocked. I need to take it out really fast. I got my knee pads. I'm wearing my boots differently. I'm not tucking in the pants on the inside of the boot. I'm putting it outside to cover most. Here is my rifle, my current rifle right now, which is the UTG M96. Usually I veggie up my ghillie and my rifle a lot, but I can't steal anymore from this plant because my grandma will get angry. So yeah, that's my rifle. Shooting point 36 gram ammunition in this, and yeah, this ghillie is really fast to take off in case I need change. I run to an urban CQB field. Put that off. That. Switch to my secondary. I'm ready to go. And more reasons why I need. Oh yeah. Before we get to that, right here there's gonna be. I'm gonna post some pictures. Gunner on the right. I'll engage.
Surrender.
This is why I need working camo.